Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys my peanut butter protein pudding recipe. This video is part of my nutrition guide where you can download at www.thesimplefitprogram.com. So for this recipe, all you're going to need is a bowl, some protein powder, peanut butter, and cottage cheese. Now you're going to put some peanut butter inside the bowl. Leo's trying to get in some of the action. Remove your cat if there's any cats in the vicinity. Then you're going to put some cottage cheese. I was going to use the spoon there, but then I realized it would be a bad idea. Anyway, so you just pour some cottage cheese into the bowl, and then you put 1 scoop of protein powder. I personally prefer vanilla protein powder. You can purchase this protein powder at myprotein.com or myprotein.ca. I have a referral link that will benefit me if you guys use that link, and it will save you guys some money as well. The link will be in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. So yeah, you see me here pour some protein powder in there, and then I just thoroughly mix it, and then it changes into a pudding-like consistency. Now this recipe is a very good snack for you to have throughout the day for a good protein boost. It's also a good sweet type of food, so that if you're craving anything sweet, you can have some of this, and it's a healthy alternative. I generally have this maybe around my mid-afternoon. It's also good for post-workout protein as well. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you tried out this recipe and found it to be useful. Also, if you think other people will benefit from this, please feel free to share it with your friends. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.